welcome to my channel, The Sociable Savvy, where I give you the scoop on all things social media marketing. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of social media marketing, advertising. Specifically, we're going to focus on the 3 different types of social media advertising that you need to know about. So grab your pens and notebooks and let's get started. The first type of social media advertising we're going to talk about is paid advertising. This is where you're paying for either your ads or your content to be displayed on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. This can come in the form of display ads, promoted posts, or sponsored content. So the goal with a paid ad is to reach a wider audience, drive more traffic to your website, and to ultimately, of course, increase your sales or conversions. The second type of social media advertising that we're going to discuss is influencer marketing. So what influencer marketing is when a brand or business partners with a social media influencer and taps into their loyal and engaged following to try to sell their goods or services. So this can involve the influencer creating sponsored posts, videos, or stories to showcase your products or services and encourage their following to try them. So the goal with influencer marketing is to get your product or services out to a way wider audience as well as build brand awareness. The third and final type of social media advertising that we're going to be discussing today is organic advertising. So when you say organic advertising, you are referring to using organic or unpaid methods to promote your brand on social media. So that can look like creating engaging content, sharing user-generated content, or running a social media contest. The goal of organic advertising is to boost brand loyalty, to increase engagement, and to build a sense of community around your brand. So there you have it, folks. Those are the 3 types of social media advertising that you need to know about. Whether you decide to invest in paid advertising, influencer advertising, or organic advertising, each one of them has unique benefits that can work best for your brand. So don't hesitate to get out there and start experimenting and seeing what works best to reach your audience and to boost your sales and conversions. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to see weekly videos about social media marketing. I have listed all of my different profiles next to me, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.